All right, so we're taking a look at what problem is question 8 from the week 3 assignment. Uh, Specifically part A, just to see how this works, how to read this table based on the description at the beginning of the problem. Realize that this table provides the results for couples. So there's 200 males and 200 females. Um, so this table represents partners. So there's 200 partners, male and female partners. And they mention it, they're just including heterosexual relationships. So you can actually read the table because you have because it mentions here in not here, but in the problem right above the table, it says in parentheses, rows represent males. So I'll go ahead and write that information. So the rows represent males, and so this means that the columns represent females. Okay, so so if we look at part A, so to read this table, for example, what does this 15 represent? Well, there's 15 brown-eyed. We're talking about eye colors, right? Yeah. So brown-eyed males that have a couple that's married or is, I'm not sure, is in a relationship with a blue-eyed female. So that's what this represents. 15 total couples that that have brown-eyed males with a blue-eyed female in a relationship. So that's how you read this. So if the problem asks, what is the probability that a randomly chosen male respondent or his partner has blue eyes? So we're looking at either one, or both, or is one or more. So what we're looking at is, so to understand that, we can have both, so that would be both male and female, so that would be the 49 here, or at least one, so that would represent essentially just, I'll use a different color, these 5 results. So out of this 3x3 chart out here, the totals don't represent. It's just adding up the rows and columns. So what we really care about is this 3x3 chart. Which numbers do we include? So we want to include these 5 numbers. These 4 right here are do not contain blue. So at least one has to be blue. So what we need to do, and remember it's a total of 200, we just need to take the 49, going down the column first, plus 15, plus 8, plus 28, plus 38, over 200. There's one other way that kind of applies to a property that we see in this section, the addition property, for OR unions. We could take the total and look at 72. 72 total, I'll use a different color. The 72 number here and the 115 number here, this represents the totals for blue. But the thing is, we're double counting one of the entries, which is 49. So we have to subtract the 49. So we can take the 72 plus 115, and then subtract 49, because we're double counting it, and divide that again by 200, and we'll end up getting the same result. You'll get the same result either way, either one of these processes. So hopefully this makes sense. This is how you read the chart and what it represents. The chart represents based on the description above the chart in the problem. Let me know if you have any other concerns. If you have any concerns, please respond to the post, or go ahead and reply or send me an email. All right.